discuss about a project which I have made on preemptive priority scheduling algorithm. Uh, Let me walk you through this, how this preemptive priority queue visualizer website works and what you will see when you interact with it. You start by entering the details of the process name, arrival time, burst time, and the priority. The lower number means the highest priority. Let me add this all priorities, arrival time, burst time, and the priorities and the process name. Once you have given the process name, arrival time, burst time, and the priority, after clicking the add process button, your process, arrival time, burst time, and the priority are added to this table accordingly. In this table, you have the option to edit or delete this particular process. For suppose if I wanted to edit the P1 arrival time, I can edit it here easily and click the save option. You can easily edit in burst time and the priority as well. Here I wanted to leave the arrival time of P1 as 0 itself. After giving all the data of the process, arrival and the burst and the priority, after clicking the visualize Gantt chart where you can see the Gantt chart appears here. In the priority scheduling, first the process P1 arrives at the 0th second. It has the burst time of 2 seconds. When it reaches 1 second, you will have the arrival time of priority P2, which has priority 2, which is even lesser than the priority of P1, which is priority of P1 is 3 and the P2 is 2. So 2 enters interferes in between. So once this 2 interferes in between, it starts running its burst time of this 4 seconds. It completes till 2. Once it completes 2 seconds, then you will find like in between you will be finding P3. P3 arrival time is 2 seconds is given here. But you will not find P3 here because the priority of P3 is 4, even higher, even lesser than the P2. So you will not find P3 here, but when it's coming to P4, you will be having arrival time at 3 seconds. 3 seconds, it has the highest priority 1. So P4 enters at the time 3 seconds. At the time of 3 seconds and completes its burst time of 3 seconds without any interruption because it has the highest priority. And next, after completion of P4, you will be left over with the second least highest priority P2. The remaining 2 seconds which we are left over here, the 2 seconds will be completed here. And after that you will be having the next least priority P1, where first 1 second is completed and the remaining second is left over. So 8 to 9 P1 gets the time to complete its process. At least the least priority P3 with the priority number 4 and the burst time 5, it gets compiled from 9 to 14 seconds. By this, all processes complete their processes in priority scheduling. This table represents what is the arrival time, burst time, priority, and when did this particular processes gets completely finished, and what is the waiting time of each process and the turnaround time of each process. Thank you.